Did you know that criminals are still using your stolen data from a hack that happened 9 years ago? In 2015, T-Mobile and Experian got hacked. 15 million people had their social security numbers and driver's licenses stolen. Most victims thought it was over. They were wrong. Right now in 2024, people are discovering credit cards and loans opened in their names using that same stolen data from 2015. Sarah from Ohio found 3 credit cards she never applied for. Mark from Texas discovered a $15,000 loan he didn't take out. Here's why this is happening. Criminals don't use stolen data right away anymore. They wait. They let you stop checking your credit reports. Then they strike years later when you're not watching. On the dark web, aged data like this sells for premium prices because victims aren't monitoring anymore. T-Mobile paid $16 million in settlements, but most people never claim their money. Here's what you need to do right now to protect yourself from this decade-old breach.